Hi guys, welcome back to the allotment. I've been away for quite some time because I've had a brain tumour removed and a stroke, but I'm doing my best. I did do all this, but because of me being unwell, I've not been filming for a while. So I built myself a poly greenhouse. I dug up a lot of the land and done some beds. I didn't grow anything on that last year. I grew some potatoes and some carrots and kale on that last year, but nothing really because it was still quite brand new and I was still doing a lot of work on it. I have a shed now, and I'm going to, you can see a cardboard box propped up against the shed. I'm going to put an aluminium shed there to store tools and things. Got a netting cage here for the broccoli, cauliflower, things like that, things that flies and stuff and birds love to eat. I'm just about digging a hole here for another fruit tree that's been donated to me, but every time I try to dig a hole I end up digging up carpet that somebody else has put underneath for ground cover. I'm not very happy about it because it's such hard work to get up. I've been working all afternoon on this and don't really feel like I've got anywhere. Here I've got some bamboo here for a reason, because just underneath the wheelbarrow I'm going to be building a pond and sinking that bath over there for frogs. Got a lot of panel in there which I'm assuming will come in handy at some point. Got a blackcurrant tree that I planted last year. That's coming up really nice this year. Cut back a lot of the blackberry, and I'm going to put some use some of that cage in it that I've just showed you there to train the blackberry and any other fruit bushes that I acquire. I've got one here actually, I don't know, I can't remember what this is. I can't remember what this is. Anyone's got any idea? That's going to be my compost pile, which I think I mentioned anyway. But it's going to be boxed off that so that it can stay as compost. I don't want other things growing over it. So I've still got quite a lot to do, but sorry, I've got a really runny nose, all this digging. My greenhouse, my poly greenhouse. I grew some tomatoes in there last year, but it didn't do very well. But it's sloping, so this is going to have to be moved. I'll probably move it to the back somewhere there, where it's shaded by the fir trees. I will record some more videos now. I'm feeling a lot better. If they're all over the place, it's because my balance is absolutely rubbish. Got a lot of work to do in the shed still. And this tree here, I don't know if you remember my other video, first video, it was absolutely huge. It's a pear tree and it was just really neglected and overgrown. So I've had the tree surgeon come by and cut that for me, and he's cut some apple trees that are behind it, so they should grow a lot better this year. Got a load of wood behind the shed. It's actually probably protecting the shed, but I need to sort that out because I don't throw anything away because it comes in handy. Everything comes in handy. I'm still not sure if that's part of my plot or not, but me and my neighbour Paula seem to both take care of it, so that's good. What else forgot to tell you? There's a better view of it, a different view of it. So it's all ready for the spring now to be planted out. Well, I haven't even started germinating the seed yet, but I'm going to do that over the weekend, germinate the seeds, and I'll update you on how we're going. Okay, see you soon guys, bye.